Please don't take it, please don't take it. Wait, does it actually work? I never tried it. Can you rearm tombstone?
Yeah, it's work. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
you
tried
can.
it.
You can have like 5 tombstones?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my
It's gonna work.
god. Oh
Yeah,
my
man.
god, I'm so excited for
Partner
this.
That's
board
what I
as well.
say.
I am so excited for this. Oh,
Your turn to pick.
oh my god, I got it.
Yeah, dude.
Zombieland.
Your turn to pick.
I'm also gonna get March
I'm
machines.
gonna go for black hole.
So if they try to destroy my tombstone, I will march and they can't touch it. They can't touch the tombstone. They will die to the march machines. This is really good. Oh my god, what a fucking build. The legendary build, huh? Tombstone usually is good for 5-manning, like Undying. So I guess our 5-man is good. We also have Black Hole. Oh my god, it's Dumpster player with the Black Hole. We lost.
You lost. R.I.P. Creeps.
Just don't Black Hole the trees. Try to get heroes.
Try my best.
Okay, nice.
I think I might get Warcry. Or Leap. Okay, maybe Warcry. For conversion. Oh, support. That Marana can do a lot actually.
Your turn to pick.
Starstorm, let's go. Maybe conversions. Ah, nah, it's okay.
Let the
No need.
tombs begin.
I'm going middle. Can I have 2 tangos, please?
Prepare for battle.
Thanks. I'm gonna give you 1. I need 2, not 3. So let's try to secure the top rune. Nice error courier. Yep. Dota 2. Reborn. Classic Reborn. The courier is an error. Mirana with take aim. That's a long range they have.
30 seconds to battle.
Mirana has long range. He will focus
Yep.
Tombstone. But she's squishy, so we can kill her first.
Stay up here.
I mean in general, not right
No.
now. I'm not gonna skill Tombstone now. But later in the game, focus Mirana. They got scared.
The battle begins.
I was meant to have this.
Who's bottom?
I don't know. Someone has to go bot.
Yeah, I'll go with Lich.
Okay.
Think I'm gonna max March first though, so I can farm faster. I am not a good Tinker player.
Should have known.
In general, in normal Dota, I'm not a good Tinker player. So this is going to be horrible Tinker experience with Rearm and March.
On a bad wind.
There are some ways of making the March hit more creeps or something like that. I don't know. I don't really care actually, because it's going to be okay still. No matter if
I'll
I'm
call next week.
not good at Tinker, I think it's still going to be okay. Well, I denied 2 creeps. Nice. So what does he have? Stun, Rocket, Sacrifice, Chain Frost. That sacrifice
Oh,
though,
does that
there's gonna be some creeps getting sacrificed and less gold for me, less experience for me. GG. The 2 minutes rune will spawn soon. I'm gonna try to do this March machines here. And then I will go check the rune. I wanna push the lane fast, so I don't miss experience and last hits when I'm
Undying,
going
do you
for
want
the
me to
rune.
spam or do you want to get the farm?
Worse things waiting. I'm under attack.
Invisibility, now that's not good. I should have gone for the...
Invisibility.
Should have gone for the bounty instead. I think my plan for this game is to... First, of course, I'm going to farm Boots of Travel, Bottle and Soul Ring. And then I will try to farm level 9 as fast as possible. And I will... when I have my Tombstone maxed, we probably go 5 men or something. Or I go... Just gonna go figure out how the build works, how good it is, how OP it is. First I'm going to be maxing March and Tombstone. Later Starstorm.
Let's put off the inevitable.
Oh my god, if this actually could be amazing. I have never played with Tombstone Rearm. That was the dream build. I have like more than 100 ability draft games, but I have never ever played with Rearm Tombstone. I have played all kinds of builds, 100 games. I have experienced all kinds of builds, but never Rearm Tombstone. This is going to be good. Okay, I actually understand. Right now I could have marched the other way. I could have marched like this instead of marching like that, because it would have hit more creeps. I actually understand it a little bit. It would hit more creeps. It depends how the creeps are walking. I march, so more march machines hit the creeps, something like that.
Depends.
Holy shit. I can't go right now. I don't want to miss experience. Take the rune, take it. It's for you.
Smart money.
Are you actually jungling?
No, I'm just taking just two
Oh,
points.
okay.
I have a jungle
your
skill,
build is
but
good for
no.
jungling.
Yep.
You are
But
a
I need to help the lane.
Tinkertress. Enchantress, Tinkertress. Whatever. Tinkertress. Very cool. Oh come on, stop sacrificing. I bet he's level 6 already.
Watch out.
Yeah, he's level 6 and I'm still level 5. Stop sacrificing creeps. This is the dream build indeed.
Ben's been missing for a while, yeah.
Dream build. Oops.
The darkness deepens.
I don't think I'm going to take rearm that early. I'm gonna need to farm a lot, actually. I'm going soaring before Boots of Travel. That's okay, but it slows down the BOTs. But I think I'm gonna have to stay on the mid lane a lot anyway, so I can farm my level 9.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Okay, he's not going for runes, and there is a normal rune top. Illusion.
Dark destinies await.
I think I'm gonna try to bait him. I'm gonna pretend like I'm going to kill him, so he uses the Chain Frost. Unless he knows it's an illusion. If he has wards, he will know. The bottom rune is taken.
Worse to come.
I think he knows actually. Whatever, let's go, last hit. Last hit some creeps.
Wings beat with the rhythms of eternity.
I'm walking here. Go.
Very low.
Arcane Bolt? In Arcane.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
I'm gonna jungle. So I'm not doing anything.
Foretold.
The Enchantress has Chain Frost, by the way, so Lich ultimate. Careful in
Your
fights.
bottom tower is under attack.
Whoop.
Oh god. How do you last hit when there are March machines hitting the creeps? Nice bounty rune. It's really good.
Ill omens to be
It's
fulfilled.
really nice.
They're in the jungles.
News travels slowly. Bad news has wings.
Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower is under attack.
Leech with sniper ultimate.
Number one now.
Headshot.
Dire's structures are fortified.
I'm gonna get one more stack and then I clear the stacks and that should be my BOTs ready. I could also stay here and march and stack both camps or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna do it like this.
I can see my whole world from here.
I am ready for the fights, guys. I'm coming. The thing is that I'm pressing E when I wanna march, but it's W. So that's going to be really confusing. I press E, but it's actually W.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower has
Let's
fallen.
pressure the mid lane, make them come here, and test the combo.
Let's go.
Holy shit, you all tip it. Nice.
I take from.
A feeble mind.
Tombstone mania.
Just hit the tower. Objectives. Holy shit, look at
Told you.
I got a double kill, my zombies are killing people.
Yeah.
Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower is under attack.
Regeneration!
Essence Sword and Rearm.
Your top tower is under attack.
Nice.
Ill omens to be fulfilled. There shall be no foreshadowing of death. Or else. Your death presaged.
Oh no, he's killing it. JK, he can't. Uh-oh. What's he doing? Zombie apocalypse. They are trying to kill the tombstones, but can I TP to them? No, I can't. Help me if I need it.
No.
Never mind.
Fortunately,
Okay.
no.
Nope.
Oh, he can't do anything. There's so many zombies. We can just get every tower like this.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Oh no, he's focusing the tombstone. I have to be careful though, because the tombstone could turn into free gold for the enemy, and that's not very good.
For the dead.
Look at them get.
Out of mana.
Oh no, I'm
Use your
dead.
decay to get mana.
Shit. Fucking dead.
Had no place here.
Oh my god. Nice.
Your top tower is under attack.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna TP bottom when I respawn.
Your top tower has
I am
fallen.
honored to you.
This is way too good. This build is... This is the dream build. Rearm, Tombstone, Or Tombstone plus Rearm the Dream build.
Your top tower is under attack.
The Dream.
Your top tower is under attack.
I'm not ready. I'm under attack.
Dire structures are fortified.
Oh. Stun. Found him in the laser.
Fuck.
He's so slow, look at him. That's like 6 zombies hitting
Your
him.
middle tower is under attack.
Meet where your heart is not.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Oh no, Sniper is gonna get some free gold. Or maybe not. I think I might be dead now.
Bottom tower has fallen.
Never mind. I'm fine. I am 1v3 killing them on the bottom lane all the time. This is gold. This is gold indeed.
Escape velocity.
Pure gold, best build ever.
Thank you.
Let's go mid. You have black hole. No Mirana ultimate right now. Oh my god. As soon as they came, they got like 5 zombies, killing them.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Do we go for their base or we push other lanes first?
They said
Let's
no
push
defense.
other lanes.
Yo, let's go on the fountain.
Fountain died? Give
Push
him
mid
hope.
and go on the fountain.
Alright, let's do it.
Oh no, he's killing the tombstones though. Can you reach the Mirana?
Why is the tower going for me? I already have a map.
What if we go Roche? I'm gonna place like 5 tombstones, and we can just get free
Yeah, I
Roche.
think you kill them, Roche. Yeah.
This is legit.
We don't have
Okay,
damage.
6 tombstones on Roche. Nice.
And if they come here, they're gonna die.
Welcome to the zombie land, guys.
Your song has fallen to the radiant.
Oh, I got hit by an arrow. They want to focus me, but nope. Nope. You guys go mid, I will push top and bottom real quick.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Worse things waiting.
Keep going, I'm tipping on you.
Indirectly responsible. It's not time.
Oh, he's feeding us, maybe. Not that we would have lost anyway. I mean, not that we would have won anyway.
Best black hole ever. Uh-oh. Kappa.
I wanna go on the fountain and try to spam tombstones. Oh no, help! Help!
Good.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do it now. Help me, protect me. Mirana has a long range though,
I'm
he's
dead.
just gonna kill them. Oh, never mind, he can't.
Can you heal me, or? Thank you.
Okay, poor, they can't do anything.
That's TPing.
I feel like I'm cheating the game right now.
I told you, rearm and tombstone best build ever. I think this is the build, maybe best build. Best than anti-mage would grow.
Okay, I'm gonna just push lanes now. Let's try to actually end this. On the fountain, they have a lot of regen and the fountain kills zombies. It's not that OP under the fountain, but it is OP outside of the fountain.
Back for more.
We need another dumpster black hole.
The enemy's middle tower has been denied.
Run, Enchantress, run! Run, Enchantress! No! Enchantress! No! Yes! Hello. He bought a Mask of Madness. He bought a Mask of Madness so he can kill the tombstones faster. What a player. The saddest part of my build is that I don't deal damage to buildings.
Your top tower is under attack.
It's really nice, but I don't deal damage to buildings.
Your top tower is under attack.
I think no matter what my build is, it's going to be OP because of the...
Good job.
No matter what my item build is, it's going to be OP because of my skill build. Even if I buy like Daedalus or Sanjin Yasha and I never right click, it's still going to be okay because of my
The enemy's
skill
middle
build.
barracks has fallen.
Oh god, what the hell? Okay, let's push bottom.
Bloodstone.
I'm pushing bottom. Shiva's guard would be really good too. So they can't run away from the zombies. The zombies are already slowing them and Shiva's guard is going to be even more movement speed slow. I think they Mirana ulted, they have it. They are farming the
Going
jungle.
top, I think. Yep.
Whoops.
Squishy Enchantress. Okay, 6 tombstones.
The enemy's
Look at the
bottom
creeps
tower
now.
has fallen.
Zombies! Zombie apocalypse on the creeps. I'm gonna try to place as many as I can. Let's see what happens.
The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen.
Placed 5.
Not yet.
Wanna dive?
Yeah, go.
The enemy's bottom barracks
I think I can actually have
One ready?
5
I'm gonna back out,
tombstones
yeah?
up at the same time. Not more than that. Yeah, probably not more. Like 5 or 6 tombstones at the same time, I believe. Maybe 7. But when I place the 7th, the first one will be expiring already. So probably 6 tombstones up at the same time.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Darkness deepens.
Your top tower is under attack.
Well,
The enemy's
it's not
middle
surprising
tower
that
has
we
fallen.
won. How do you lose with this build? The fountain kills the zombies though. Well, GG boys. What a build. What a build, what a game. Best ability draft game ever. GG.